Good morning, dear student. Hope you all are fine and safe. I am Gayatri Kumari and I am going to teach maths for this year. Before starting the lesson, I would like to give a brief introduction about the book which we are going to follow from this academic year 2021-22. Book of Maths published by NCERT, National Council of Education, Research and Training. The title of this book is Math Magic. There are total 14 chapters. So first chapter is our national fruit mango. So dear children, be ready with your maths textbook and notebook. So let's start chapter 1, our national fruit mango. Everyone please listen carefully and try to understand. Children, look at this picture. What are you seeing here? Here, two kids are plucking mango from this tree, right? So, children, which fruits do you like most? Yes, I know everybody like mango, and also you know that very well. Mango is our national fruit. Okay, so we start this chapter from a three lines poem. This poem is written in Gujarati, so let's read. Kanji sune koyal keri kunj keri bagiche. Okay, so here we have to count total letter of this poem. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then second line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And third line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is written there are 5 letters in the first row and there are also 5 letters in the last row, and in between 7 letters in the middle row. So total, when we add total 17 letters are there. So this poem of 3 lines is called haiku. Okay, so it is a poetic form of Japan and it is written in just 17 letters. Okay, its formation is 575. Okay, here is given another haiku. It is written in Gujarati. Again we read, मीठी सुगंधी छू सोरठनी केरी हूँ छू केसर. The meaning of this poem is written here in English. I am sweet and fragrant. Mango from Surat. I am Kesar. Children, do you know any poem or story about mangoes? So please you try to write yourself. Some pictures of mango given here. Okay, so which shape come to your mind when you think about mangoes? Draw a picture as given below using different shapes of mangoes you have thought about. So children, you have to draw shapes of different shapes of mango in your notebook, right? Children, observe this picture. Here is given different shapes of mango, right? So in Sanskrit, mango is called amra. Different shapes of the amra are often commonly seen in embroidery work, paintings or jewelry design, right? So observe the picture and also you will try to draw in your notebook. Okay. Talala Taluka of Gir Somnath district is famous for its Kesar mango worldwide. So children, everybody knows Kesar mangoes, right? The quality of land ecology are suitable for growing mangoes. Talala can be called the capital of Kesar mangoes. The plantation of mango are called Ambawadi. They are lifeline of this region. So children, you must have heard आंबे आव्या मोर वार्ता कहेशु पोर. So children, you have to write some points regarding mango, regarding this topic. Okay. So first you will write chapter name. Then after, the question is, what is a haiku? So what we write, a haiku is a 3-line poem in Japan. So two haikus are mentioned here. First, I am sweet and fragrant, mango from Sorat, I am Kesar. And then second, delicious mango, the juice dripping down the chin, heavenly delight. Okay, so here two haikus are mentioned. Now we write some points about mango. First one is, mango is our national fruit. In Sanskrit, mango is called amra. Talala Taluka of Gir Somnath district is famous for Kesar mangoes. The plantation of mango are called Amba Wadi. A mango tree initially bears flower in the spring season. After that, it bears mango fruits. After writing these points, we will solve some question regarding this topic. Okay, so let's start. So let's see the first question. There are 30 students in class 5A. Each student is given a box containing 18 mangoes. So the question is, total how many mangoes will be there? So here is asking, here is given condition, each student is given a box. Okay, in that box how many mangoes? Total 18 mangoes. Okay, so we have to find out total number of mangoes will be there. How many total mangoes will be there? So what we write is statement, one box contain 18 mango. So children, here how many total mangoes in each box? 18 mangoes, and we have to find out 30 boxes. Why? Because here is given 30 student and each student gets one box. So obviously it will be 30 boxes. So we will write here 30 boxes contain. What we do children, here is given number of mango for one box and we have to find out for 30 boxes. So what we do, we need to multiply. So 18 multiply by 30. So here I have multiplied. When we multiply 18 by 30, we get 540 mangoes. So statement is 30 boxes contain 540 mangoes. Let's see one more question. How many heaps of 10 mangoes each can be made from all these 540 mangoes? Here how many heaps of 10 mangoes means, here heaps means dher. That means some mangoes, here is 10 mangoes given. So here 10 mangoes kept together. Okay, that we call heap. Okay, so the question is, each can be made from all these 540 mangoes. So what we write statement here, there are 10 mangoes in one heap. So how many heap can be made? What we do for 540 mangoes? So here we divide by 10. Okay, so 540 divide by 10. When we divide this number, we get 54 heaps. That means statement what we say, for 54 heaps can be made. Okay, so children, you will write this question in your notebook with beautiful handwriting. Next question is, A farmer picks mangoes only from one tree. Okay. 18 boxes of 12 kg each are filled. How many kgs mangoes grow on one tree? So we have to find out total mangoes grow on one tree. So what we do? First statement we write one box contain how many kgs mango? 12 kgs mango. And that means 12 kg mango kept in one box. Okay. But here is total 18 boxes. So here is given 12 kg mangoes for one box, and when we need to find out um, uh, mango for 18 boxes. So what we say? We multiply, because here is given for one and we have to find out more than one. So we will multiply 12 by 18. So when we multiply, we get 216 kg mango. So statement: about 216 kg mangoes grow on one tree. Okay. So let's solve the question 4. How many kg of mangoes the farmer would have picked up from 20 such mangoes trees of his orchard? Children, what do you mean by orchard? Orchard means fruit garden. Okay. So answer is, first we have to understand the question. How many kg of mangoes the farmer would have picked up from 20 such mangoes trees. So here we have to find out total mango from 20 mango trees. Okay, so let's see. From question 3, we got the answer that 216 kg mangoes grow on one tree, and we have to find from 20 tree. Okay. So here first statement we will say one tree contain 216 mangoes. That means there are total 216 kg mangoes in one tree. So how many kgs mangoes in a 20 tree? So we need to multiply here. So 216 multiply 20. Okay. When we multiply both number, we get 4320 kg mango. So we got answer. We can say the farmer would have picked about 4320 kg mangoes from his orchard. Okay. Last question is, how many boxes can be filled from all these mangoes of his orchard? So children, from question 4, we got the answer that the farmer has 4320 kg mangoes in his orchard. Right. And from question 3, we know that one box contains 12 kg mangoes. Okay. So there are 12 kg mangoes in one box. So we have to find out 4320 kg mangoes in how many boxes we need. So first we divide by 12. When we divide, we get 360 boxes. So answer, we got answer 360 boxes can be filled. So children, all these questions with answer you will write in your notebook and then you show me. Thank you.